Hi everyone, a very quick one. I want to show you how do090.com works, the website link up there. I want to show you how you can start making money online from the comfort of your home by joining do090.com training. The training on how to do this yourself, how to make money online without investing with your smartphone. So if you have a phone, you can start doing this. So when you visit the website link on the screen, you are going to see something like this. Then you click yes, I'm in, and you go to the next step. It's loading the next step. You also click on yes, I want to. This training will show you how to make money online and how to grow social media accounts all for free without investing. Okay, so we say yes to, and the website used for earning the money is moneyvids.com, and do090 is going to train you on how to use moneyvids.com to make money. Okay, and also how to run ads for affiliate marketing and make money online, how to run ads on Google, how to start affiliate marketing. Everything will be taught in the training. Okay, so click on yes, of course, and click on let's go and get started. Click on the get started button there. Now, if you want to watch the video, here's the video. You can watch the video on the page. But if you read through this place, you can see if you want to make a steady source of income working from home, this is not an investment scheme. People are getting paid daily watching videos with their mobile phone. So do090.com will teach you how you can do this yourself. Okay, if you don't want to join the training, you have the option to click here, which is this down link, and go straight to the website. If you observe where my clicks are flowing on the screen here, you can click there and go to the website to start watching videos and earning. But joining the training will help you understand how to do it yourself and how to withdraw everything. Okay, you will know how to do it yourself and how to withdraw directly into your bank account. Now these are what you'll be learning. You can see them listed here on the screen. They are all listed. Many things you'll be learning, what you never knew that will help you make money, will be explained in class. You can watch the videos by those who will be training you, okay, in class. So you watch the video one by one and understand what you'll be getting in class. And you can also chat them on live chat, call or WhatsApp. Look at it here, the chat live chat where you can call or WhatsApp. Now if you scroll down, if you want to, as I told you earlier, if you want to go straight to the website and start making money watching video, you click on this one, or I advise you join the training. If you click here to go to the website, you can see that do090.com is advising you that you should join the training. If you want to go to the website directly and start earning, then you can click on the link again. Now do090 will be getting $2 for referring you from their website to the website MoneyViz, because MoneyViz is really paying for affiliate marketing right now. So if you don't want to join the training, you can just follow their link and register. Don't worry, it will not affect your earning in any way. It won't affect your balance. It won't affect. All you have to do is watch videos and keep earning. Do social media tasks like liking of posts, retweeting, sharing. They have many options that you can do and you get to earn. Okay, okay. Now I advise you join the training. So I click on join the training, and it loads here. And you'll be asked this question: do you want to make money online? Say yes, I'm interested. To take you to the next page to join the free class. If you don't want to join the free class, once again, here's the link. You can follow that link to start. This is the WhatsApp group, the Telegram group. If you come here and maybe the group is already filled up, you can see it's written here, if the group is already filled up, please, and you're unable to join, please DM us on WhatsApp or Telegram. They'll give you a new group link to join, okay? Because many people are joining, thousands are joining, so you might come and the group is filled up, or you're unable to join the group. Just DM them on live chat and speak to them. Now, what you want to do, you want to also sign up for this training to get your access ID. You can join the training without using this link here, but in training you need your access ID. So if you sign up with your name, your last name, and your email, you definitely gonna get your access ID sent to your email address and your phone number. You choose your country where you're coming from, and you click on submit, then you are good to go. And that's that. You can see the slots that are remaining, so I advise you to join the training. If you want to go straight to money vids and start making money online watching video, follow this link. Search for 2090.com in your browser now to join. Or if you're watching this on YouTube or any other social media, you can follow the link in the description to join and learn how to make money online. See you in the free intro class on how to make money online. Come and join this free class and start earning. I'm expecting your class. Thanks once again. My battery is running low, so that's all for now.